Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on alarm on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, as we know together that an alarm is primarily used to alert individuals to potential danger, abnormal condition, or to serve as reminder for a specific time or task. And it can be a device that provides a warning, often through a loud sound or a system that detects and notifies about any others task or specific time. Alright guys, so yeah, to turn it on is very easy. So yeah, now you can go to a clock menu on your cell phone, and then now you can turn on the scheduled alarm like this, and then now you can add the alarm for yourself. You can adjust the time, and also you can adjust the ringtone that you want to apply, and there are so many ringtone on Poco M7 Pro that you can choose. And then you can also scheduling, and you can add the label. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the alarm is already on, and so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn on the alarm, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.